Would you like to learn a potent manifestation technique that requires just a brief moment of your time? Well, you're in luck because in this video, I'm going to reveal a practical exercise inspired by the teachings of Neville Goddard. This exercise has the potential to shift your focus and enhance your mornings significantly. Welcome back to another video where I'll share a technique that takes only a few seconds, but can have a profound impact on your day. All you need is a pen, a sticky note, or a piece of paper if a sticky note is unavailable. This technique draws from Neville Goddard's teachings and aids in redirecting your focus, attracting positivity into your life. Before we delve into the technique, please remember to subscribe and activate the notification bell to stay updated on our upcoming manifestation videos. If you're ready to transform your mornings and manifest the life of your dreams, let's dive into the technique right away. Let's now explore this powerful technique that can reshape your focus and revolutionize your mornings. As mentioned earlier, what you focus on in the morning tends to set the tone for the rest of your day. If you wake up and immediately fixate on negative aspects like bills, financial struggles, or relationship status, you're likely to attract more of those negative circumstances throughout the day. However, we can alter this pattern by performing a simple exercise before bedtime. Here's what you'll need: a sticky note and a pen. If a sticky note isn't available, a piece of paper can suffice, although a sticky note is preferable as it can be carried easily. Tonight, before you go to bed, write a positive affirmation or a statement that represents what you want to manifest in your life. It could be something like, "Abundance permeates all aspects of my life," or "I attract loving and fulfilling relationships." Write it in large, bold letters on the sticky note. When you wake up in the morning, the first thing you do is look at the sticky note and read the affirmation aloud. Truly feel the words and believe that they are already true for you. Dedicate 10 seconds to this exercise, and then proceed with your morning routine as usual. This technique redirects your focus from negative circumstances to the positive affirmation you wish to manifest. By initiating your day with a positive affirmation, you establish a foundation of positive energy and manifestations. It assists in transitioning your mindset from scarcity and limitations to abundance and possibilities. Allow me to provide an example. Suppose you've been grappling with financial difficulties and consistently worrying about money. Your mornings might typically involve checking your bank account, paying bills, and feeling stressed about your financial situation. This sets a negative tone for the day, and you may continue attracting further financial challenges. However, by employing this technique, you can redirect your focus and improve your mornings. Instead of checking your bank account first thing, you read your positive affirmation, such as, "I am financially abundant, and money flows to me effortlessly." Take a moment to genuinely embrace the truth of these words and believe that they are already your reality. This establishes a positive tone for your day, and you begin with a mindset of abundance and prosperity. As you proceed with your morning routine, maintain the positive affirmation in your mind. You might notice increased optimism and confidence regarding your financial situation. Additionally, you may begin noticing opportunities and ideas to enhance your financial circumstances. For example, you might stumble upon a job listing that aligns with your skills and interests, or receive unexpected financial blessings like a refund or bonus. Now you might wonder, is it truly that simple? Can reading an affirmation for a mere 10 seconds in the morning make a difference? Well, studies have indicated that what you focus on upon waking tends to shape your day. By consciously selecting a positive affirmation to focus on, you transmit a powerful message to your subconscious mind and the universe, signaling your readiness to receive and manifest positive outcomes. In fact, numerous successful individuals, including millionaires and billionaires, swear by the efficacy of a morning routine that incorporates positive affirmations. They comprehend the significance of setting their focus and intentions from the moment they awaken, and you can do the same. The key is to consistently hold on to the positive affirmation throughout your day, even when faced with challenges or setbacks. If you find yourself slipping back into negative thoughts or worries, take a moment to remind yourself of your positive affirmation and redirect your mind toward the desired outcome. Remember, you possess the ability to control your thoughts and emotions, enabling you to shift your focus from negative to positive. Let's consider another example in the realm of relationships. Suppose you've been feeling lonely and dissatisfied with your romantic life, often waking up in the morning with feelings of sadness and longing. By employing this technique, you can shift your focus from the absence of a romantic partner to the affirmation, I am attracting loving and fulfilling relationships. Reading this affirmation in the morning and genuinely embracing its truth sets a positive tone for your day and opens your heart. You might find yourself feeling more confident and optimistic about your love life and become more receptive to opportunities to meet new people or strengthen existing relationships. Additionally, you might observe positive changes in your interactions with others as you radiate a positive energy that attracts loving and fulfilling relationships into your life. Remember, consistency is key to making this technique work. Dedicate just 10 seconds every morning to practice it, and the impact it can have on your day and life can be profound. By commencing your day with a positive affirmation and shifting your focus from negative circumstances to positive possibilities, you align your mindset and energy with the manifestations you desire. So why not give it a try? It only takes 10 seconds in the morning, and the potential benefits are immense. Imagine beginning your day with a positive affirmation that aligns with your goals and desires. It's akin to programming your mind and setting the stage for a day brimming with positivity, abundance, and manifestations. Moreover, you can customize the affirmation to cater to your specific needs and aspirations, be it related to your health, wealth, relationships, career, or personal growth. The key is to ensure that it's a positive statement that resonates deeply with you and feels believable. Another fantastic aspect of this technique is its simplicity and ease of incorporation into your daily routine. All you require is a sticky note and a pen, and you can practice it right before bedtime and immediately upon waking. It's a small investment of time that can yield significant results in transforming your focus and attracting positive circumstances into your life. Are you ready to give it a try? Grab a sticky note and a pen, and tonight, before bed, write down a positive affirmation or statement representing what you want to manifest in your life. Tomorrow morning, upon awakening, read it aloud and truly embrace the words as if they are already your reality. Devote just 10 seconds to this exercise and observe how it shifts your focus and transforms your mornings for the better. I encourage you to experiment with this technique and witness how it can revolutionize your mornings and ultimately your life. Remember to share your experiences and manifestations in the comments below. I'd love to hear how this technique works for you. If you found this content valuable, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. If you haven't already, consider subscribing to our channel and activating notifications to stay informed about new videos. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.